Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today I've got a great question from one of our viewers. Joanne asked a question. She said, hi, I've got a cast iron skillet. Would you recommend sanding it smooth? And of course my comment was, I don't recommend sanding or grinding on cast irons. Cooking with them over time will smooth them out. I know there's some people that are on YouTube that think it's necessary to sand and grind on cast iron. It's a great question. It's controversial. Some believe that you need to do this because cast iron has it's really not so much a porous texture as it is just a not really a rough, but a kind of like an orange peel textured feel to it. And some people think that it's real rough and it's hard to season, but actually cooking in a cast iron skillet over time will actually smooth your cast iron skillet out. The oil and different things that bake into it over time as you're cooking in it will actually smooth it out, and you don't have to grind or sand on your cast iron. So folks, just leave me a comment and let me know, are you pro grinding and sanding, or are you not for that process? What camp are you in? Leave me a comment and let me know whether you like to grind on your cast iron or you do not. And so we certainly appreciate that. Hey, we thank you guys for all the comments and questions that you leave on our videos. We certainly welcome each and every one, and we look forward to coming back to you again soon. Y'all have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you. Bye-bye.